Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Porsche Boxster. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Make sure both cars are completely turned off and not making contact. Then, identify the positive and negative terminals on both the dead Boxster battery and the assisting vehicle's battery. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful jumpstart. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red positive cable clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead Boxster battery. Next, connect the other end of that same red positive cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Double-check that both positive connections are firm and clear of any other metal parts. For the negative connections, take one black negative cable clamp and attach it to the negative terminal of the good battery. Then, connect the other black negative cable clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of your Boxster's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. It's important to avoid connecting this clamp directly to the dead battery's negative terminal to prevent sparks. With all cables connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to charge your Boxster's battery. After this charging period, try starting your Porsche Boxster. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order. First, remove the negative cable from the Boxster's ground point, then the negative from the good battery, followed by both positive cables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.